Welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 heavy-duty diesel Denali in the color gray. Some features include power and memory front seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, Bose speaker system, trailer brake controller, automatic headlights. On the steering wheel, we have cruise control, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, Bluetooth capability, media controls, screen display with navigation, rear vision backup camera, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, CD player, dual climate controls with heated and cooled front seats, telescopic pedals, rear park assist, lane departure warning, comfortable seating for 5, power sliding rear window, sunroof, and much more. So don't miss out, hurry in or give us a call today at Davis Chevrolet to book your test drive.